Hi everyone, I want to give you a Kevin's weight loss journey update. I'm at 95.2 kilos. I was actually worried that I'd gained. I've actually lost, I don't know, was it zero point 0.3 or something? But yeah, there were a couple birthday parties, and I've tried some different things. I sort of got away from eating chicken and yogurt. I'm trying to stay away from carbs. And I skipped tennis last week. So I just tired. I didn't really feel like playing after work, working all day and then tennis. Anyway, I played last night, so that's good. I've been taking the stairs a lot. I'm just really watching what I eat, trying to move more. I think I'm gonna start running, and that'll improve my tennis too. And my stamina is not so good, so I think if I work on that, that will help, and I'll lose some weight too, which is good. I really don't like weight training, but I'm gonna try and do more of that too. I was doing one simple thing, which is it came from I think it's a book called Simple Habits, and just after I go to the bathroom, if I go pee, do 5 push-ups, or if I brush my teeth, do some squats as I'm brushing my teeth, sort of integrating it into my day, so it makes it a bit easier. Then I'm weightlifting, weight training, but it's part of my day. So I hope that helps you, and I will continue to update. Thank you for watching. Please cheer me on. I'm trying to keep this going. Yeah, I'm not going to give up. So thanks for watching.